I know I'm not alone when I say sign me up for garlic parmesan flavored anything. These chicken drumsticks are packed full of flavor, keto friendly, and so easy to make. Let's do it. Start by adding some freshly grated parmesan and minced garlic to a bowl along with some oregano, thyme, paprika, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Give that a good mix, make sure everything is well combined, and then toss it onto a couple pounds of raw chicken drumsticks. Now you guys already know I love using my hands to do this just so I can make sure I get into every crevice, including and especially underneath the skin. Line up your garlic parmesan drumsticks on a parchment-lined baking sheet, or even better, one topped with a wire rack. Throw that into a 400-degree oven and cook it for 40 to 50 minutes or until the seasoning is nice and crispy. These crispy oven-baked chicken drumsticks might be keto friendly, but trust me when I say that they'll be absolutely loved by everyone.